What if I told you there is an IIT where PhD admissions never really close? If you have been regularly watching our videos, you already know that this entire month we have been talking about only and only IITs. The reason for that is very simple. IIT PhD admissions are about to open anytime now. In the beginning of this video is that there is one IIT whose admissions never really close. And that IIT is IIT Jodhpur. And today in this video, we are going to tell you everything about the PhD program of this institute. So IIT Jodhpur was established in 2008 and is one of the younger IITs. And this IIT offers a PhD program in 20 broad disciplines with multiple research areas covered under each of them. So let us first understand which are these 20 disciplines in which IIT Jodhpur offers a PhD: engineering and sciences. But besides engineering and sciences, it also offers PhD in subjects of liberal arts, artificial intelligence, data sciences, management and entrepreneurship, design, and even interdisciplinary PhD programs. I am mentioning only the few broad areas. The complete list covered under each of these departments is mentioned on the screen. Pause the video, have a close look to understand if your area of interest is being offered as a PhD program by IIT or not. So, once you've identified the discipline you want to apply to, the next step is to understand the eligibility and the qualification requirements. That is to understand who can actually apply to this institute. For applying to the PhD program, IIT has said that you should have at least a master's degree with 60% marks. Even students with MBBS or MD qualification with 60% marks are eligible to apply. Not only master's students, even four-year graduates with at least 70% marks are eligible to apply to the prestigious program of IIT Jodhpur. But remember, the marks and the qualification that I'm mentioning is the requirement which is mentioned in the general PhD program brochure. It is best before applying that you go to that specific discipline where you want to apply and cross-check exactly the eligibility or the qualification which is required in that discipline, because sometimes the discipline or the area requires a higher percentage than which is mentioned in the general PhD guidelines of that institute. Okay, now once you've cross-checked your qualification requirement, then the next step would be to understand what kind of eligibility exam, financial assistance, and experience requirements does IIT Jodhpur have. So now let's talk about the financial assistance and the eligibility exam requirement. So the full-time regular PhD scholars with fellowships and candidates who've qualified GATE or NET or any other equivalent examination are eligible for financial assistance. If you already hold a MTech or any degree, then the eligibility exam requirement is completely exempted for you. GATE is in fact waived off for candidates who are a pass out of CFTI and have an 8 or above CGPA on a 10-point scale. For the School of Management and Entrepreneurship, there are alternative options which are available, because obviously they cannot give GATE, which includes CAT, GRE or GMAT scores of 80 percentile and above. A full-time postgraduate degree of at least 2 years from an institute of national importance with 70% marks might be exempted from any kind of eligibility exam requirement. Okay, from here we move on to understanding the admission categories that IIT Jodhpur offers. First and foremost is, of course, the full-time regular PhD with fellowship. The second is the part-time PhD program, especially which is designed for the working professional, that is the executive. Moving on to when can you apply to this prestigious program. So the IIT Jodhpur follows a rolling advertisement model for its PhD and interdisciplinary program, which means that there is no fixed last date to apply. The applications are accepted throughout the year. So as soon as you are ready and with your application, you can apply. If you are seriously planning a PhD from IIT Jodhpur, make sure you regularly track the department specific advertisements and updates. PhD aspirants at ZPTC, we are here to guide you at every step of your PhD admission journey, right from telling you what exactly is a PhD and what happens inside it, to helping you draft that perfect SOPs, choose the perfect research topic, and prepare that research proposal, and even help you prepare well for your interview preparation. So, if you're looking for a PhD mentor whom you can reach out at any time during your PhD admission journey, then you can get in touch with me on the number given below. For more genuine video on PhD, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.